In front of me here are 2 packs of Pokemon Scarlet and Violet base, but only one of them is real. It's not very difficult. Could you tell which one is the fake pack? So immediately you should know this one here is the fake pack. One of the dead giveaway is a triangle cut here and these punch seals. Real packs only have crimp seals at the top and the bottom. The quality and the print of the pack is very poor, and look at this. This is the back of the fake pack compared to the back of the real pack. This is a dead giveaway. There's no point checking for spelling or grammatical errors because there's no text at the back of this pack. Well, there's text here, but we already know this one is fake. And look at what they say here. It's Sword and Shield Astral Radiance. And does this look like Astral Radiance to you? So just for fun, fake packs generally weigh a lot less than real packs. This is just a reference. So this fake pack here feels very light, so I don't think there's 10 cards in here. But you're going to see they will not have any code card or energy card in this pack. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know why these scammers don't get their facts straight because Scarlet and Violet does not have B-Star cards. And this here is just a sticker on card back. I'll show you shortly. The cards, they feel very smooth and glossy. And the back, this one here is actually kind of damaged. This here is a real card. This is the back of a real card compared to the back of a fake card. You can see the fake one is very faded and washed out. So you can see this card here, there is no graphite layer in between the card. But the energy card here, you'll see a gray layer in between the card. That's the graphite layer that prevents light from passing through. Now this rip test is a last resort. So this Shein here is just a sticker, and I'm going to show you now. I'll slowly peel the sticker back and you can see it's like a glossy sticker on paper. That's all it is. There we go. Don't know how much more fake you want this card to be. So please hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe to the channel. And be careful where you buy your Pokemon cards.